What's going on, guys? Maibu here. I'm doing some work on Molo here. I had taken the carburetor off because if you see how dark it is right here, it was leaking fuel really bad, and the gasket was no good. After I repaired the fuel tank hoses, I guess pressure was stronger, and then it started spewing out over here. So I'm like, well, I can't have that. So I took Molo's carburetor apart, took the old gasket off. It was pretty bad. I don't have it on hand to show you how bad it was, but it was pretty bad. I've got a new one here that came in. This is it right here. Part number 60482. I got it from Summit Racing. It's a Felpro gasket, and I'm going to start putting the carburetor back on. I didn't rebuild the carburetor because I don't have the ability to, nor do I have the knowledge to, so I'm not going to mess with it. I'd rather not have another problem. So, yeah. I went ahead and already cleaned this surface up as best as I could, so that I can just stick the new one on here and just slip the carburetor right back on without hassle. Yeah, that's right. Making sure I got it facing the right way. There. I also want it centered. That looks good. So I'm going to grab the carburetor over here. Get up here. Put it where I want it. Get this out of the way. Oh, don't move, gasket. Stay where you are. Everything's in the way. Is this the right gasket? Alright. Oh, look, there's an ant in here. I wonder where that came from. Alright, so here's the bolts. Gaskets. That's one. Nope, not going. Come on, you're right there. is a hard part, I guess. Just getting the gasket lined up. Did it go in? Ow. Oh, man, my elbow fucking hair, man. Put it the other way so it doesn't do that again. Alright. I managed to get the first one started. But I'm not going to tighten it all the way. Where's the other bolt? Now I had it. Where did I put it? There it is. That's tight enough. Alright, well, I should probably get some of these hoses back on first. Remember, that one came off of there. And this one, which is a little bent now, came off over there. That's where that one came out of. That one's stuck. Where did that wrench go for it? No, that wasn't it. So many small parts, but you know, that's how things are. I hope this is screwing in. Doesn't look like it is. No, it's not. Damn. No, it's not. Come on. It's not screwing in. get it started. I just gotta slowly tighten it on. Okay, I'm gonna get this one on the feel. Same size? It's not. I should have put a little bit of tape on here, the plumber's tape or whatever they call it. I forgot the name of it before I started screwing it in, but I don't have any at the moment. If I got a leak, I won't mess with it. I will take it back out and I will get plumber's tape. Okay, there we go. They're nice and tight. Alrighty. Now, this was in here. Put that back in there. Well, I also got the plugs out. I'm going to be changing the plugs. I already got them out. I just got to put the new ones in. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, the lines. I don't want you there. Go up here. These are broken. I think these go here. Oh, wait, no, wait. Looks like they went here because there's broken lines right here. So I'm going to have to replace them at some point. Not at the moment. I don't think they're that important at the moment. I had a feeling I had a line here or something. But I don't know what line. I'll over time figure that out. Alrighty. Pins, okay. So this goes here. I do believe this went there. Yep, just like that. And this one. I have to take my gloves off for this. Okay. And I will put this in here. And a little tiny clip. Alright, there we go. Both the throttle and I guess the choke cable, I think that's what it is, choke cable, are now back in place. So when I push the pedal, oh wait, forgot to put the spring back on, that would help. Help the return. Needs this little spring here, I've got it wrapped around something. Oh, there we go. Oh boy. Looks like it wound up where it shouldn't have gone. Okay. Come on. There's my screwdriver. Come on, go back in there. these go in here. There we go. Now, pedal should return. Perfect. Alright, well, that's the carburetor done. Next up, I'm going to move on to this. Get the cap and rotor replaced. I did get another one for it, so here we go.